Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depends on the time you will find this video, guys. Guys, do not forget that my name is Raymond Jane Investor. Guys, today I'm going to show you on how you can remove background on your picture without using any apps to remove that background. Okay, let's say you want to use another background on that picture without you using even TikTok, without even using CapCut, without you using InShot, without you using any kind of app at all. Come, let me show you on how you can remove that background on that your pictures or any kind of pictures. How you can remove this exactly background. If the place where you took the picture is rough place, how you can easily remove that background on that picture and use another background on that picture. Come, let me show you on how you can remove that background. Please share this video for me and let others benefit for this video. Let's go. So here is your gallery, guys. So click on this your gallery, okay? As you click on your gallery, you open it. For example, this is the picture you want to upload without a background. Okay, this picture you want to upload it without a background. This is what you will do. You click on the picture. Okay, you hold the picture. You will say copy, share, save as stickers. You will click on these three dots. Okay, just click on these three dots. As you click on the three dots, you click on the save as image. Save as image. You click on save as image. Now you go back. As you go back, this is the picture. Okay, this is how it looks like without a background. How do you see this picture, guys? Drop your comment in the comment section. If this work for you, drop your comments on the comment section. With this picture now, you can upload you can use any kind of background on this kind of picture. And you can also bring out this picture as video. Okay, guys? Drop a comment on the comment section and I will put you through on how you can go about it. One love, guys.